Hello and welcome to TechHiveHQ. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Apache Maven. If you are starting with Java development or are looking to set up Maven for the first time, this is a step-by-step guide that will help you get up and running quickly. Okay, let's get started. To set up JavaFX with Maven, first we'll need to install Maven itself, and I'll show you how to set up JavaFX in another video. I'll link it above. So you want to go to the official Maven website. Put it in the description. So you're gonna go to this page, so you just click on it, enter. So you want to, depending on the operating system that you have, so you're gonna go for the zip. If you're using Mac, then this is one you should download. You're going to download the latest version, and you're going to select the latest stable binary zip file under files. So this is the one that you want, this one right here. So you're just gonna click on it and it should start downloading. So once you have it downloaded, you're gonna go to the folder that you have downloaded it in. Then you're just going to extract. If you have WinRAR, you can download WinRAR. Then you're going to extract it to this folder. You're gonna get this. So these files are the ones that we need. So you're going to take these files. You're gonna go to your C drive. Go to your C drive, go to program files, then you're going to create a new folder, which is going to ask for permission because it is in the C drive. Click continue and name it Apache. Then click on enter. Then inside you're going to create a new other folder, continue, and name it Maven. So once you have created that folder, then you're going to go inside that file, then copy all of this. Gonna come here, you're just gonna copy here, then do this for all items, continue. And once it's done, now you're going to go and set up the environment variables so that you make sure that it is being used. So you're gonna click on Windows, then you're going to type on environment, set the environment variables. Here it is, control panel. So you're gonna click on this environment variables. So as you can see, I've already added it. So you're gonna hit here, click on new. You can name it something like Maven underscore home. Then the value is going to be, so you see this, you're going to copy, then you're gonna paste it here, Maven. Then you're gonna click OK. Then it's gonna show up here, Maven. Then also now we are going to add it to, you're gonna add the path to the Maven files. You're gonna find the path variable and click on edit. Then you're going to add you're going to add the bin folder where everything is located. So this bin, I'm just gonna copy, then you're gonna add it here. You're just gonna click on new, then paste it there. Then you're gonna be okay. Then you're gonna click OK. Now you're going to verify that Maven is running. So to confirm that Maven is running, you're just gonna open command prompt. So you're just gonna type, so mvn v for version. It's gonna show you Apache Maven installed. So that's how you know it's installed. Yeah. Thank you, and like, comment, share, subscribe if it helped you for future videos. Now, to know how to set up JavaFX for your project, click on this video right here.
Perfect.